Good afternoon, everyone, and welcome back to the post lunch session of Salon Management Congress 2022. I'm so glad that you all are still here with us and taking the benefit of our panel discussions and our expert advice. Please stick around till the very end because we have an amazing lineup lined up for you. Right now, we will be starting our sessions with introduction to World Wellness Weekend uh, with Dr. Rekha Chaudhary and Ms. Sushmita Sarangi. They will be unveiling their YouTube channel to us. So we'll do that quickly and then move on to our very exciting session on social media by Khushbu. So I would invite Dr. Rekha and Ms. Sushmita to please step on the stage and tell us more about their venture.
Yeah. Good afternoon, everybody. So today we are really happy on the World Wellness Weekend, which is the initiative done by the French Zengi, and that is celebrated in the 110 countries. Along on this special occasion, we are as a committee member and founder and team member of the World Digital Detox Day, the YouTube channel we are launching. It is sounding little different YouTube channel for the digital detox. That's what we want to teach. Being in the technology world, how you can take the detox for yourself. That is the idea behind this. So how to take the digital detox? That's the idea. And what is exactly is the digital detox? So we will be launching that YouTube channel, and we have the many countries sign up for this. Many countries are supporting this and this initiative. So I'm really glad. Where is Vikas? Vikas,
Yes, sir.
please. Vikas, thanks a lot for giving us opportunity on this platform to launch this special our initiative with you. And please, Kumarolam, please, you also come. Uh, please join us. Sorry, I don't know. Anyone is missing? Huh? Khushbu. Khushbu, okay, yeah. And Sushmita, she is being as a committee member, she will put more focus on the digital detox.
So thank you, Rekha ji. The point is, I think all of us agree today that in today's world, it's complete madness because all we are doing is we are just on our devices 24 by 7. If your phone's getting taken away, your iPad comes into play, that is gone. You're jumping on to watch Netflix. You are maybe even sleeping and listening to music, all of that. And I think the time has come now for all of us to put a little bit of focus and say that it's good to use technology, but technology should not be controlling us. We should know how to control technology. So the whole intent of this entire World Digital Detox Committee is actually to ensure that we take this information and this messaging out into the world. And of course, while all of us are possibly a lot more mature, we know how to maybe draw the fine lines, our next generations definitely don't know that. So the idea is to actually educate people across the strata and tell people. I mean, if you look at it, 20 years back, none of us had mobile phones. We survived fine. My mother didn't want to know where, she didn't need to know every point of time what I'm doing, where I'm eating, what I'm doing or not. We managed that, right? We found other interests. We found other the same. So that is the whole purpose. So our entire effort here is here to get the industry together to take this on as a big initiative, and this is originating from India. Typically all your wellness initiatives originate from the west and then we kind of get on, but I think this is the time that it's originating in India. Let's make this a big success. So we welcome all of you all. You'll also be hearing very shortly after launching the YouTube channel. You'll also be hearing very shortly from all of us in terms of what exactly that you can do. A, how you can actually balance your life, bring harmony, and B, how can you actually make this whole world a more harmonious one. So thank you.
Yeah, also join. Namaste pose is that is without the gadget you are, yeah, yeah. No.
Why is the digital detox needed? Did you imagine your daily use of the digital world can affect your relations and your health also? Nowadays, everyone is connected, and being immersed in the digital world is just a part of our everyday life. Continuously being online can cause lack of time management, lack of exercise, self image problems, low self esteem, sleep problems, depression, anxiety, weight gain, unhealthy eating, work ethic problems. But we think being digital can enhance efficiency, convenience, and communication. However, all the time we spend online means we have less time to spend doing real world activities we enjoy. Moreover, we have less time to spend with the people we love. As a result, our relationships can suffer. That means excessive online activities and digital media consumption affect mental and physical health. Experts also found that heavy smartphone use can cause changes in your brain. Every scroll or swipe sends a hit of dopamine to the same areas of your brain that respond to addictive and dangerous drugs like cocaine. Hence, scientists have discovered some genuine dangers associated with ongoing, excessive technology use. To avoid all this, you need a digital detox. We believe technology should serve us, not enslave us. Stay in tune with World Digital Detox Day.
Thank you, Dr. Rekha and Ms. Sushmita Sarangi, for this great initiative, and I wish you all the best.